Have a look at this for quality, guys. Using only the best materials. Absolutely stunning. A job like this will cost you $5.50. Okay, remember I have to sandblast it. I put a certain colour underneath and then I apply this colour. This is the best candy powder coating can give you. Now, and then it's got the best clear you can buy. It's the best, strongest, the whole lot. Okay, and when you're using the best powders, they are very hard to use. You can't just buy it off the shelf and think you know what you're doing. But look how even I got that candy. Absolutely stunning. Now what I'm going to do is actually come out and show you. We're going to walk outside. Now this is a lighter stage that we've got underneath this candy. This is 7 years old. This candy I'm about to show you. And there it is, we're going up. And that's the candy. Everyone will know, my customers and all will know. Look, out in the weather all the time. Okay, the sun's not out, I'm sorry. But that hasn't even faded. And if it has, it's probably 10%, it's not even to the eye. Now they're outside every summer, you name it. Okay, and everyone knows that I came to my shop, seen these wheels, even from my home, okay, will know that's 7 years old. Now I'm going to walk down here. I'm going to walk down here and I'm going to show you what the cheap ass candies do. Now this is what all of you don't understand, and you're not meant to understand, that's why they sell it to you. But this one is from Prismatic Powders. Yes, it's my Robo Wash. Okay, this didn't even last, honestly, 2 months in the sun. Now have a look at that. Oop, strap. Have a look at that for the so-called candy. When everyone thinks that they like Prismatic is so great. All right. If you advertise well, you can sell anything to anyone. Okay. Now that was a gold candy. All right, and you can see it's just absolutely shocking. Alright, so please, 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 and it's got the same clear. Please understand there's a difference between all these powders. Okay. Oh, while we're here, we'll go find another one. Yeah, they're all air hoses. And we're plodding along looking, oh, look at this candy. This is the same brother and sister, the red one that you saw earlier. Yes, I'm working on a bike. Okay, yes, it's dusty, but I just gave it a little wipe there. Now this is the best candy. Okay, that's why it's on my bike. Okay, she's absolutely stunning. And that's why I choose it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, yes, even the forks were done. Oh, it's inside too. Okay, so now we're going back. Now you understand the difference between the candies, difference between powders. Well, we know what they are, they're racks. Indoor powder, okay, yes, starts to rust. And they fade very quickly. And that's why I've got it on the ATC as well. That's why I choose these candies. Okay, now we're back here. Okay, so please understand, why prices fluctuate and why I won't put certain powders on certain items. Okay, I'm here to get your trust. Okay, bling out.